Oh,
Angry boy!
striped bass. Hey everyone, today we are going to try some fluke fishing. Still early in the season, so not sure how good it's going to be, but hopefully some of them show up. And then later in the day, we're going to do a little bass fishing, maybe some hickory shad mixed in there. I'm going to probably throw these cast masters that I make, see if they work. If you guys are interested in buying any, hit me up in the comments or on our Instagram. Thank you for watching. Mondo! It's got a belly. We got Long Island's most prized. Oh, I bit my thumb. Yeah, it is. As much as it sucks catching them. Another nice bird. They always bite my thumb at the end. John just got a big freaking sea robin. That thing's huge. 3 or 4 pounder. Big belly on it. Yeah, big belly. See you later. Oh, got one.
You got him?
Yep. He ain't that big. It might be a shad, not gonna lie. Oh, he's getting a little bigger.
Take him to the stern.
Oh, this is a nice rod, by the way.
Take him to the stern, all the way to the stern to run at him.
Yeah.
Yep, fight it off.
Oh, it's a bass. Sweet. Oh, he's nice, dude. Oh, fuck. You all right?
Yep.
All right, well, that kind of sucks.
I don't think it's a fish.
Really?
I think it's breaking off.
You don't think that's...
Yeah, that's a fish. You like a fish?
No, not really. Oh, no, yeah. I don't fucking know. I don't know what...
You gotta wind. You gotta keep winding.
I don't know what it's supposed to feel like. Is it...
I think if anything, it's a little tiny fucking shad or some shit.
You want me to bring it in?
Yeah. I don't know.
Like, I don't know how heavy the rig is, so... Like, there's weight there.
Like, it looks like there's something stopping on there.
There was. Not anymore. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Fucking
look, you got one.
nice.
That was fucking little baby fucker on here, bro.
Let me get them off so you can deal with that. On the umbrella rig. Nice little bass. Alright. Come on. Fuck, that was a shit cast. Oh, I just got a boil throw. Oh, look! You see that? Dude, a bass just went after it twice. Oh! That was so cool. Oh my God. It broke a fucking hook off. Oh.
Angry boy!
Striped bass.
Wait.
Get frick over here, man. Get over here. There we go. Combined landing. Yeah! Got one in the boat.
Oh, there's that treble hook sound. Finally got one in the boat. Nice fish. There we go. Woo! There we go. On the lure, bro. Definitely a little shad. Oh, little bass. On the Cast Master. Jesus Christ. Did it, bro? On the lure. Yeah, that's a big one.
Look at this thing.
Nice.
That's the biggest shad I've ever freaking seen.
Big hickory shad. No, it's easy. It's one hook.
I know.
Got a shad finally. Oh, dude. Oh, man. Oh, it's another bass.
Striped variety.
On the Cast Master. Chill, 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 chill. Chill out. I do want to try that one. Nice.